So I just started now grinding this back edge into the keyway. So the keyway very accurately has to be to the back edge 968 to 969 thousandths of an inch. So grab my depth mic. I don't know if anybody's ever really used one of these. Anyway, on the barrel, this is what's called as a 0 to 1 inch depth mic. So it'll measure within a half thou. I don't know if you can see the barrel turning. It's in 1 thou increments, but you can eyeball. There's quite a distance between each 1 thou increment, so you could get it pretty close. Anyway, so I'm grinding the backside, and you just set your depth mic and roll it down. And I'm letting it, I already kind of roughed it down, but steel gets hot, and when it gets hot it grows, and when it grows it'll only grow 1-2 thou from a grinder. But you want to be careful when you do the finish cut, you grind it at like somewhat room temperature. Anyway, right now I'm at 970 and a half, and I have to go down to 969. So there's a thou and a half more to go. And on this side I'm at 971. So the grinder's grinding it within half thou, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna I let it cool down for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to go back across, and it's not even taking a cut now, so the block has shrunk. Because I haven't changed the height of the head. So I'm going to come down a half thou. That's a half thou. And it's somewhat dished. At the end, it got hotter in the middle, grew more, and I ground that middle part off when it was hot. So now the middle is sunk back down, and the ends weren't as hot. I don't know if you can see it or not, but with a black magic marker there, I'll come down another 2/10. And you can see that the black back one so you can see where the marker got removed, and that was about 7/10 from cooling, and there's still more to come off. So the block actually grew 7/10, and I grounded more out of the middle when it was hot and it was elevated. Now it's cooled down. I'll grind that extra thou and a half off, and we should be finished. So that's a 1 thou cut I've just set. take a little bit of patience and time to do this kind of work. Nothing gets done fast, that's for sure. So it's a little warm, but not too hot that I can't keep my hand on it. So you want to clean up the surface, measure. Make sure your depth mic is clean. I'm not sure if you can see those numbers or not. The light in here is kind of horrible. It's reading that I have about 3/4 of a thou to go. So I take that 3/4 of a thou and I'll do the last cut, and then I'll see how it works when I fit it.